Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the extension type and an exact color match, then start the practical work. Wash and condition to remove oils, blow dry and detangle so bonds sit flush. Once dry, apply heat protectant, then section hair horizontally into tidy rows, securing upper layers away from the working area. Now place the first row at the nape, leaving about 1/2 inch of natural hair at the root for clean attachment. Make sure each section is even before moving forward. You now attach extensions methodically, working nape to crown to preserve balance. Lay the weft or tape strip on the prepared row, keeping spacing consistent and avoiding overlap. For Tay-pins, press firmly, and for fusion, apply heat precisely following manufacturer timing. If sewing, stitch through the weft and band with secure, small knots so the track lies flat. As you progress, release upper layers to cover seams and check tension frequently. Too tight causes pain, too loose causes slipping, so adjust immediately. You finish by trimming and texturizing the extensions so they blend seamlessly with your natural shape. Scissors and thinning shears create movement and remove bulk. Once happy, style on low heat and apply a light finishing serum at lengths only. Avoid bonds. Inspect all attachment points, then secure any loose pieces. If you notice slippage, discomfort, or matting, stop styling, re-evaluate the bond, and retighten or replace the affected extension immediately. That single corrective step prevents larger damage later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.